ॐ शुक्लांभरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone to this class. So I know it's a small group today. I think Sindhuji and Anandji should be joining as well shortly. So Nikki, Vasu, can you do 36?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, and then Narayani, நீங்க வந்து இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்க முடியுமா? You said
நான் வந்து ஆத்துக்கு போயிட்டேன்னா நான் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கேன். எனக்கு இன்னொரு 40 minutes ஆகும் அதுக்கு போறதுக்கு.
Okay, okay.
அது
So
வரைக்கும்
yeah.
ஜெயஸ்ரீ can. ஆமா
Sure.
ஜெயஸ்ரீ.
I wanted you as a student, since you are going to be chanting this next Saturday.
ஆமா
right?
I know. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. So இப்போ வந்து Vasu, you start 36 and Jayashree and Shobha, you can be students, right? And then once Narayani is online, Shobha, then yeah, we'll swap with you.
Thanks,
Okay.
Rajesh.
No worries. Okay. Go ahead, Vasu.
Parashurama Charitam, Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. In the chapter was very difficult, but tapu panena manchikogo.
Oh, no worries. No, go ahead.
Yeah. Atre putrataya pura tvamanusuyam hi dadda bido jata shishyani bandhatandritamanaha swastasharan kantaya drushto bhaktatamena heya mahipalena tasmai varan ashtaishwarya mukhan pradhaya dadita svenaiva chante vadan satyam kartumatarjunasya chavaram takshakti matranatam brahmadveshi tadhakilam nripakulam hantum cha bhume bharam sanjato jamadagnidho bruhukule tvam renukayam hare ramo nama tadatmadeshva varajah Pitroradhasammadham. Okay. Pitroradhasammadham. Labdhamnaya ganash chaturdashavaya gandharvaraje manak asaktam kila mataram pratipituhu krodha kulasyagnyaya Tatha jnatiga sodarai samamimam chitvata shantat pituhu tesham jivana yogamapitavaram mata cha te dhatvaram pitra matrumude stavahrita vyadheno nijadashramat Prastayat Brigho Gira Himagirau Aradya Gauripatim Labdhva Tatparashum Tadukta Danachedi Mahastradikam Prapto Mitramatha Krita Brahmamunim Prapyagamash Swashramam.
And the last line, Vasu. Mitram ata kritabrana.
Okay. Mitra ata kritabrana.
Yeah, mitram ata kritabrana.
Oh, angana. Enna tappu
I think on the brana you said something else.
Okay.
So, okay.
Vranamunim prapyagamash swashramam aketo pagatorjunas Suragavi samprata sampadganaihi tvatpitra paripujitaha puragato durmantri vacha punaha gam kretum sachivan yayunta kudiya tena piruddhan muni pranakshepa sarosha gohata chamu chakrena vatsohat
Just one small correction. First line and the Aketo Pagatur Junaha, we stopped there. So there's no joining is because we are not joining it. We're stopping there.
Okay.
Shukro, yeah. Shukro.
Sukro jivita tata vakya chalito krodhota sakhya samam Bibradyat mahodaro panihitam chapam kutaram sharan aruda sahavah yantra karatam mahishmati ma vishan vagbir vatsamadadushi shitipatau sampratutash Sangharam.
So Chella, some places, right? You're adding an extra R. I don't know. In the language follow பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Sanskrit and English மாத்தி follow பண்றேன் அதுல எங்க
Yeah, because in the, for example, chapam I think அந்த மாதிரி சில இடத்துல some places you're saying chapam, right? Because we
Okay.
follow English, it's difficult to say is it a or a,
Okay, okay, okay.
right? So அந்த மாதிரி
Right.
some places, so just be careful அது வந்து if you're switching to English.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
சரி சரி சரி.
Seven.
திருப்பி அது இது சொல்லிட்டுமா or
That's okay. No, continue. We keep going.
okay. पुत्राणामयुतेन सप्तदशभिश्चक्षौ चक्षौहिनीभिर्महा सेनानिभिर् अनेकमित्रनिवहैः व्याघ्रिम्बिता योधनः
Jrumbita.
व्याजृम्बिता योधनः कुठार भान विदल निशेष सैन्योत्करो भीति प्रादृत निष्ठ शिष्ट तनयः त्वामापत देहयः.
So in that also two places, just quick correction. The first line is chakshaw. You said chakshaw. Again, the same and the a. I think only wherever there's a a coming, I think that's where those things are happening. Like chakshaw. And then the last line, there was no a, but I think you said bidi pradrudanashtashistatanayah.
Bidi pradrudanashtashistatanayah twama patadehayah.
Correct.
लीलावर्तित नर्मदा जलवला लंकेश गर्वापहा श्रीमद्बाहु सहस्रमुक्त बहु सष्ट्राशं निरुन्दन् ममुं चक्रे त्वय्यत वैष्णवेपि विफले बुद्ध्वा हरिं त्वामुदा ध्यायन्तं चित सर्वदोष मवदीः सोगात् परं ते पदम् भूयो मर्षित हे हयामतगणैः.
हे हयात्मज.
Okay. भूयो मर्षित हे हयात्मजगणैः ताते हते रेणुकाम् आज्ञानां हृदयं निरीक्ष्य बहुशो घोरं प्रतिज्ञावहम् ध्यानानीत रथायुधास्त्वम् अकृथा विप्राद्रुहः क्षत्रियान् दिक्चक्रेषु कुटारयन् विशिखयन् क्षत्रियान् मेदिनीम्.
And the second line, first word agnanam, just correct that word. I think you said there was something small correction there.
Okay. Agnanam.
There. You're saying ya. There is no ya there. It's agnanam.
Okay. Agna. Okay. Ya solren. Agnanam solren.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Agnanam hridayam nichya bahusho ghoram pratigyam vaham. Vahan. Okay. Vaham solren.
Yeah, vahan. You can go to 10. Yeah.
Okay. Tatto jeevana krindrupala. No. Tatto jeevana. Sorry. Tato jeevana krindrupal lakakulam trisapta kritvo jayan santarpyata samanta panchakamaha rakta hradau ge pitrin yajne shmamapi काश्यपादिषु दिशन् साल्वेन युध्यन् पुनः कृष्णो मुं निश्यतेति समितो युद्धात् कुमारैर्भवान्. And
the pause is after niha nishyati iti, okay? Not after shamito.
Okay. Krishnan mum niha nishyati Shamito Yuddhat Kumarai Bhavan. The last, it's kind of hard. Nyasyastrani Mahendra Bhubriti Tapastanvan Punar Majjitam Gokarnavadi सागरेण धरणीं दृष्ट्वा दृष्ट्वातितस्तापसैः
Dhyateshvas.
Okay. Dhyateshvas धृतान लस्त्रचकितं सिन्धुं श्रुवाक्षेपणात् उत्सर्योधृत केरलो भृगु இல்ல அந்த சரியா வரல उत्सर्योधृत केरलो भृगुपते वातेश संरक्षमाम्.
Yeah, so the third line mattum just you can repeat right here. So Dhyateshvasa Dhrutanalastra Chakitam Sindhum Sruvakshepanat.
Dhyatevas Dhrutanalastra
Lastra.
Okay, lastra சொல்லணுமா? Okay. Dhyatevas Dhrutanalastra Chakitam Sindhum Sruvakshepanat.
Yeah, correct.
उत्सर्योधृत केरलो भृगुपते वातीश संरक्षमाम्.
Vatesh. Yeah.
वातेश संरक्षमाम्.
Correct. Very good. I know it's a tough chapter. I think the only mistakes you're making is in the right? That's where I think it's getting messed up between the Sanskrit and the English. So other than if you're following English, you should make sure you're checking the Sanskrit and seeing if it is and the corrections.
Okay.
Nalla.
Now இந்த வாட்டி this was a very tough chapter. So Sanskrit to English மாத்தி
I know. This is a little tough chapter for sure. Yeah. 37, 38 relatively easy.
Can I chant the first 6 if you
Yeah.
if anybody else chant?
எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து சொல்லலாமா?
எல்லாம் சேர்ந்தா it will mess up a little bit. Audio la.
நீங்க சொல்லணும்னா சொல்லுங்க வாசு. No problem.
சொல்றேன்.
சொல்றேளா?
ஜெயந்தி நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
सान्द्रानन्दतनो हरे ननु पुरा देवासुरै सङ्गरे तत्कृत्त अपि कर्मशेषवशतो एतेन याता गतिं तेषां भूतलजन्मनां दितिभुवां भारेण दूरार्तिता भूमिः प्राप विरिञ्चमाश्रितपदं देवैः पुरैवागतैः.
JC first line mattum Daivasure.
Okay.
Okay. Keep going.
हा दुर्जन भूरि भारमतिथां पाथो निधौ पातुकां एतां पालय हन्त मे विवशतां सम्पृच्छ देवानिमान् इत्यादि प्रचुर प्रलाप विवशाम् आलोक्य धाता महीं देवानां वदनानि वीक्ष्य परितो दध्यौ भवन्तं हरे ऊचे चाम्बुजभूरमोनयिसुराः सत्यं धरित्र्या वचो नन्वस्या भवतां च रक्षणविधौ दक्षो हि लक्ष्मीपतिः सर्वे शर्वपुरःसरा वयमितो गत्वा पयोवारिधिं नत्वा तं स्तुमहे जवादिति ययुः साकं तवाकेतनम् ते मुग्धानिलशालि दुग्ध जलधे स्थिरं गता संगता यावत् त्वत्पद चिन्तनैकमनसः तावत् सपाथो जभूः त्वद्वाचं हृदये निशम्य सकलान् आनन्दयन्नूचिवान् आख्यातः परमात्मना स्वयमहं वाक्यं तदा कर्ण्यताम् जाने दीनदशामहं दिविशदा भूमेश्च भीमैर्नृपैः तत्क्षेपाय भवामि यादवकुले सोऽहं समग्रात्मना देवा वृष्णिकुले भवन्तु कलया देवाङ्गनाश्चावनौ मत्सेवार्थमिति त्वदीयवचनं पाथो जभूरुचिवान् श्रुत्वा कर्णरसायनं तव वचः सर्वेषु निर्वापितस्वान्तेष्वीश गतेषु तव तावक कृपा पीयूष तृप्तात्मसु विख्याते मधुरापुरे किल भवत् सानिध्य पुण्योत्तरे धन्यां देवकनन्दना मुदवहत् राजा सशूरात्मजः.
Very good. So we'll start with 7. So Niki, we won't be able to finish 38, but at least we'll finish the Krishna birth of Krishna for sure. So you'll be able to chant it next weekend, for Krishna Jayanti. So stanza 7. Udvaha vasitau tadhiya sahajah kamsota sammanayanne etau sutataya gatah patirate vyomotaya tvadghira अस्यास्त्वाम अतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्तेरितः संत्रासात् सतु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्. So where we stopped last time was where Devaki was getting married to the son of Surasena, Vasudeva. That's where we stopped. So at the end of the marriage, when the marriage gets completed, then Kamsa, who is Devaki's brother, her brother, Tadiya Sahajaha, so Vasudeva is Kamsa's close friend. And of course, Devaki is his sister. So he's extremely happy. And then Sammanayan, he's honoring them. And the way he's honoring them is saying that, you know what, I will be your charioteer, right? Sutataya, I myself will be your charioteer. And he then takes them around the town for celebration. So when he's driving there, and then here Bhattaripat says, then Thwadgira, in the sky, your voice is heard, right? Thwadgira, your voice is heard, saying that Asyaha, that is Devaki's, Ashtama Sutaha, the 8th son of Devaki, is going to kill you because you are a very wicked person of Kamsa. So your life is getting time now, and the 8th son of this Devaki that you're carrying is going to be killing you. So when this word he actually hears, then of course he's frightened and he also gets upset about it. So what he does is he decides to kill Devaki. So he takes a sword that he actually has, and then he goes near Devaki, he says a beautiful lady Devaki, and he tries to kill her. So Udvaha vasitau tadiya sahajaha, comma, kamsota sammanayan, put a in at the end of that line, sammanayan, comma. Next line, if you have in and ne, strike all of them and just put a. Etau sutataya gataha, so put a if, gataf pati rate, comma, vyomotaya twadgira. Udvaha vasitau tadhiya sahajah kamsota sammanayan etau sutataya gatah patirate vyomotaya twadgira.
Udvaha vasidau tadiya sahaja kamsoda sammanayan edo sudataya kada padirate vyomotaya twadgira.
And the first line, Shobha, Sahajaha is there, Visarga is there, okay?
Sure. 2 times, alva?
On second time.
Udvaha vasitau tadiya sahajah kamsoda sammanayan edo sudataya kada padirate vyomotaya twadgira.
उद्वाहा वसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोऽथ सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पथिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा. उद्वाहा वसितौ तदीय सहजः कंसोऽथ सम्मानयन् एतौ सूततया गतः पथिरथे व्योमोत्थया त्वद्गिरा.
Asyas Twam Ati. If you want to break it, Asyas Twam Ati Dushtam Ashtama. Okay, if you want to break that word, Dushtam Ashtama Suto, comma, Hanteti Hante Ritaha, comma, Santrasat Sa Tu Hantum Antika Gatam. If you want to break it there, Hantum Antika Gatam Tanvim Kripanim Adhat. So no comma there, it goes continuously. Asyas Twamati Dushtam Ashtama Suto Hanteti Hante Ritah Santrasat satu hantumantikagatam tanvim kripanimadaat.
अस्यास्त्वाम् अतितुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्ते दिहन्ते ऋतः सन्त्रासात्सु हन्तुमन्दिकगदां तन्वीं कृपाणि मदात् अस्यास्त्वाम् अतितुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्ते दिहन्ते ऋतः सन्त्रासात्सु हन्तुमन्दिकगदां तन्वीं कृपाणि मदात्
अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्ते ऋतः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात् अस्यास्त्वामतिदुष्टमष्टमसुतो हन्तेति हन्ते ऋतः सन्त्रासात् स तु हन्तुमन्तिकगतां तन्वीं कृपाणीमधात्.
Stanza 8. Grihnanaschikureshu tam khalamatihi saureshchiram santvanaihi no munchan punaratmajarpanagira pritotayato grihan adyam tvatsahajam tatharpitamapi snehena nahannaso dushtanamapi deva pushtakaruna drishtahi dhire kadha. So what Kamsa then does is grihna means to catch. So the word graha is coming from that. Grahanam is also kind of capturing. That way he's capturing, he's holding Devaki's hair, that evil-minded Kamsa. And then he says, I'm going to kill you. So when that happens, Shaurehe is referring to Vasudeva. So he's then going and consoling and saying, you know, this is your sister and I'm your best friend. How are we going to do any harm to you? Right? So that's not going to happen, and don't trust in all of this. But then Kamsa again is not satisfied with that. So with that, then Vasudeva then promises that Atmaja Arpanagira, I will come and sacrifice, I will come and give my children to you. You let Devaki and me go right now. I will personally come and hand over the children to you so that you can decide what you want to do with it. So with that, Kamsa gets happy, Preetaha, and then they all go home. They all get dispersed. Then later on, Adyam Tvat Sahajam, your first brother, elder brother, O Krishna, your first elder brother now is born, right, to Devaki and Vasudeva. And then when that happens, and they're not in jail at this point, actually. So or maybe they were in jail, I'm not sure, maybe they were, but it doesn't say here explicitly, but maybe they were in jail. So when the first child is born, then Vasudeva then goes to Kamsa and tells, here is the firstborn baby. When he looks at it, Snehena Nahannaso, he's so happy because he's the mama. So when he sees the first nephew being born, he then says, you know what, I cannot kill this baby. So he doesn't harm the baby, he doesn't do anything to the baby, at least for now. So here, that's why Bhattatripat says in the last line, Dushtanamapi, even in the worst of people, some point, Dhirekada, occasionally, you'll have Pushta Karuna, you'll have a little bit of compassion. Still, they still have, because of which Kamsa does not kill the first baby when he first looks at it. So, Grihnanash Chikureshu Tam Khalamatihi, comma, Sauresh Chiram Santwanaihi. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma, Santwanaihi. Next line, on top of no, if you have a ir, remove that off. So, no munchan Punar Atmaja Arpana. 3 words there. Punar Atmaja Arpana, but you have to say it together. So, Punaratmajarpana Gira, comma, Pritota Yato Grihan. Grihnanaschikureshu tam khalamatihi saureshchiram santvanaihi no munchan punaratmajarpana gira Pritota Yato Grihan.
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां कलमतीः सौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोतयो यादो गृहान् कृष्णाश्चिकुरेषु तां कलमतीः सौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्जन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोदयादो गृहान्
गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमितिः
Matihi.
शौरे
Kalamatihi.
खलमतिः गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोदयातो गृहान् गृह्णानश्चिकुरेषु तां खलमतिः शौरेश्चिरं सान्त्वनैः नो मुञ्चन् पुनरात्मजार्पणगिरा प्रीतोदयातो गृहान्
Adyam tvat sahajam tatharpitam api tatharpitam api comma snehena nahan nasau comma dushtanam api deva pushta karuna comma drishta hi dhir ekada आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहं नसौ दुष्टानामपि देव पुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तदार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्तसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कथा आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तदार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्तसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कथा
last letter Shobha dhireka da not ta
धीरे कदा
da first da yeah
आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा आद्यं त्वत्सहजं तथार्पितमपि स्नेहेन नाहन्नसौ दुष्टानामपि देवपुष्टकरुणा दृष्टा हि धीरे कदा
stanza 9 तावत्त्वन्मनसैव नारद मुनिः प्रोचे स भोजेश्वरं यूयं नन्वसुरासुराश्च यदवो जानासि किं न प्रभो मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वदकृते भावीसुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनधूदुनदसौ सौरेश्च सूनूनहन्. So when Kamsa then says, okay, I'm not going to hurt the baby, and then he's because of his attachment. So at that time, because of Twan Manaseva, so everywhere Bhattaripad is all at every point he says all of this is happening, Krishna, because you want this to happen. So he says because of your desire, because of you willing this, Narada is going and meeting with Kamsa, and he's saying, Narada goes and says, "Oh Bhojeshwara, oh King of Bhoja, King of Bhoj, you Janasi, don't you know? That you are all Asura. Yuyam nan Masuraha. All of you are Asura. And Suraha Yadavo. The Yadavas are all the Suras, are the Devas. So you know that very well, right? In spite of that, how can you let this happen? And that Harihi, he's a Mayavi. He's a Mayavi. So he is definitely going to come in some form or other to help out the Devas. And he knows he has to come and have to get rid of you. So because of that, don't get fallen for this. And why should I be telling this to you? You already know it. You are a smart person and you should be able to do it. So having listened to this, then Kamsa then changes his mind. And then Saurehe Sununahan. He then goes and kills all of Devaki and Vasudeva's son. So here Bhattaripad doesn't say how many, but in the next stanza, he says your seventh son is born. That means the 6 children are getting killed in this thing, right? So now the question that comes is, why are these 6 children even getting killed? What is even the purpose for these 6 children to get killed? Anyone here knows? No? Okay. So
they are supposed to be killed, right? I mean,
but why?
Yeah.
But why? Okay. So the story goes is, and this comes a little bit, there are 3 connections to this. So this is the middle chapter, 37 chapter, right? Then in I think when the Kurma Avatar, I think when that happens, at that time, there is a Kala Nemi, there is an Asura by name Kala Nemi. that comes. And then in the 88th Santana Gopala Upakyanam, when that comes, Devaki asks Krishna that you are helping people to get back their children. Krishna gets back his teacher's son back. Says, why are my 6 children getting killed? Why did they even get killed? So Krishna then tells the story of why the 6 children got killed, and then he brings back those children for Devaki to just see. They don't come back to life. He then just brings them back. So Hiranyakashipu, we all know, had Prahlada as one of the sons. He also had a son called Kalanemi, who was an Asura. That Asura Kalanemi gets killed by Vishnu in the 28th or 29th, one of those Dasakam, Kalanemi gets killed. But that Kalanemi had 6 children. And those 6 children also refused to worship Hiranyakashipu. Like Prahlada, they refused to worship him. And then they went and prayed to Brahma, and they got a boon and everything, and they became powerful, but they were good Asuras, right? So Hiranyakashipu was very angry with that, and he was also angry because Kalanemi could not control his own children. And Hiranyakashipu could not kill those 6 children, his grandkids at that time. So he then puts a curse that you are going to get killed at the hand of your father in the next birth. So there was one kind of a connection there where the 6 children had to die at the hand of Kalanemi, who was their father in the previous birth. So that Kalanemi is born as Kamsa, and that's why those 6 children are just born for that to happen, but they don't have any other residual karma left. So those 6 children immediately go away, and that's what Krishna says in the 88th chapter. He says those children don't have any residual karma to stay back in this earth. They just had to be born because there was still a connection to Kalanemi. And when that happened, they went away. And he tells Devaki you cannot be sad at it because you weren't really, those are not your kids. They just happen to be your kids to just tie this connection to Kalanemi. That was the only reason they were born to you. Other than that, they were not destined to be your children. So Krishna then confirms that in the 88th chapter. Anyway, so that's what happens here. And then when Krishna eventually gets rid of Kamsa, Bhatripad also says, he still has that Kalanemi has that Vasam, that he was previously killed by Vishnu in the 28th, and then in the later on in 75th chapter, Krishna then kills Kamsa, right? Anyway, so that is the backstory there. So anyway, so in this case, Vasudeva gets rid of the 6 children. So Tavat Twan Manasaiva Narada Munihi, comma Proche sa Bhojeshwaram, comma Yuyam Nanvasuraha. So put a is there, Nanvasuras Surascha Yadavo, comma Janasi Kim na Prabho. Tavat Twan Manasaiva Narada Munihi Proche sa Bhojeshwaram Yuyam Nanvasuras Surascha Yadavo Janasi Kim na Prabho.
Tavat vanmanasaiva narata munihi proche sa bhojeshwaram yuyam nanvasura surascha de yadavo janasi kimna prabho. Tavat vanmanasaiva narada munihi proche sa bhojeshwaram yuyam nanvasura surascha yadavo Janasi kim na prabho.
Tavat vanmanasaiva narada munihi proche sa bhojeshwaram yuyam nanvasura surascha yadavo janasi kim na prabho. Tavat vanmanasaiva narada munihi proche sa bhojeshwaram yuyam nanvasura surascha yadavo Janasi kim na prabho.
Mayavi sa harir bhavad bada krite, comma bhavi sura prarthanat. Put a it at the end of that line and the comma. Sura prarthanat. Next line, the D that you have becomes a E. Ityakarnya. Next word, it's difficult to break it. It's Yadun, Adhudunat, Asau. 3 different words. You have to say that together. Yaduna, Dudhu, Nadasau. Yaduna, Dudhu, Nadasau. Comma. Okay, that's one word. Shauresha, Sununahan. Mahyavi Saharir Bhavat Badakrite, Bhavi Sura Prarthanate. इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनधूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्
मायावी स हरिर्भवेत् वदकृदे भावी सुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदून दूदु नदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन् मायावी स हरिर्भवत् वदकृदे भावी सुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूदुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्
मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वधकृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ सौरेश्च सूनूनहन्
sorry, the last,
Maya-
sorry, Jayashree, the last line is shaurescha.
सौरेश्च
Not sau, shau.
शौ தான் போட்டிருக்கு யா मायावी स हरिर्भवद्वधकृते भावी सुरप्रार्थनात् इत्याकर्ण्य यदूनदूधुनदसौ शौरेश्च सूनूनहन्
Stanza 10. प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भतामहिपथौ त्वत्प्रेरणान्मायया नीते माधवरोहिणीं त्वमपि भो सच्चित्सुखैकात्मकः देवक्या झटरं विवेशितविभो संस्तूयमानः सुरैः स त्वं कृष्णविदूय रोगपटलीं भक्तिं परां देहि मे. So that's why here Bhadripad is like he said, he didn't say 6 in the previous stanza, but here he says Saptama Garbhatam. So the 7th pregnancy of Devaki, when that actually happens, when at that time, Ahipatau. Ahipatau means the king of serpents. So here king of serpents is Adishesha. So Adishesha then enters the womb of Devaki as a 7th child, which is Balarama, right? At the end of the day. So Balarama is born. And then because by your prompting, because of your prompting, and then because of Yogamaya, the Yogamaya's influence is coming in this chapter and also in the 39th chapter, right, when the babies are getting swapped. So here what happens is, because of that, the baby is transferred into the womb of Rohini, who is with Nandagopa in Gokulam. So Rohini is the other wife of Vasudeva, but she's staying with Nandagopa in Gokula. So, but this baby, when the 7th child is born, its child is transferred into the womb of Rohini, who is with Nandagopa. And then what happens is, then Vasudeva and Devaki go tell Kamsa that, yeah, the 7th child was born, because they know she's pregnant and she's carrying at the time, but just the baby is born still. The baby is born dead. So the 7th child, they say the 7th child is born, but it's no longer with us. The baby is dead. So with that, the 7th child is now transferred. Then Devakya Jhataram Viveshita Vibho, you, O Lord, who is again Sattvam, you are that you who is the supreme bliss condensed into one. You then enter into Devakya Jhataram, into Devaki's womb at this time. And then when you entered into Devaki's womb, everybody was the Devas all praised. Oh, that Krishna, Sattvam Krishna, that though, O Krishna, Roga Patalim Viduya, eliminate all the diseases and things I have. Also, Bhaktim Param Dehimi, also give to me supreme devotion. So don't just eliminate the diseases I have, also give to me supreme devotion as well. So Prapte Saptama Garbhatam Ahipatau. If you want to break it, Garbhatam Ahipatau, comma, Twat Preranan Mayaya, and then put a plus, Nite Madhava Rohineem, comma, Twamapi Boho is there, so put a is, Bos Satchit Sukhai Katmakaha. Okay. Prapte Saptama Garbhata Mahipathau Twatpreranan Mayaya Nite Madhava Rohineem Twamapi Bho Satchit Sukhai Katmakaha.
प्राप्ते सप्तम गर्भदाम अहिपदौ त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधवरोहिणी त्वं विभो सच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः प्राप्ते सप्तम गर्भदाम अहिपदौ त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधव रोहिणीं त्वमपि भो कच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः.
And there just show one small correction. Twamapi bos, that is sound has to come there. Okay, because we're joining with the next letter word, right?
त्वमपि भो कच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः.
Yeah.
प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधव रोहिणीं त्वमपि भो सच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः. प्राप्ते सप्तमगर्भता महिपतौ त्वत्प्रेरणान् मायया नीते माधव रोहिणीं त्वमपि भो सच्चित् सुखैकात्मकः.
Devakya Jataram Viveshita Vibho, comma, Samstuya Manaha is there. Again, put a is Samstuya Manas Suraihi, comma, Sa Twam. So you can give a very brief pause between those two letters, right? Sa Twam Krishna Vidhuya Roga Patalim, comma, Bhaktim Param Dehime. Devakya Jataram Viveshita Vibho Samstuyamanas Suraihi Satvam Krishna Viduya Roga Patalim Bhaktim Param Dehi Me.
Devakya Jataram Viveshita Vibho Samstuyamanas
Suraihi
Tatvam Krishna Viduya Roga Padalim Bhaktim Param Dehi Me. Devakya Jaram Viveshita Vibho Samstuyamanas Suraihi Tatvam Krishna Viduya Roga Padalim Bhaktim Param Dehi Me.
Rajesh, ஒரே ஒரு question. Vivishita Vibhova, Viveshita Vibhova.
Viveshita Vibho. Some books have it as Vivishita. I think somebody else also said, I believe. Viveshita.
Vivishita, thank you. Viveshita.
Yeah.
Devakya Jataram Viveshita Vibho Samstuyamanas Suraihi Satvam Krishna Vidhuya Roga Patalim Bhaktim Param Dehi Me. Devakya Jataram Viveshita Vibho Samstuyamanas Suraihi Satvam Krishna Vidhuya Roga Patalim Bhaktim Param Dehi Me.
That completes 37. So we'll continue with 38. Narayani, any chance you are home or not yet?
Not yet. இன்னும் ஒரு 10
Okay.
minutes ராஜேஷ்.
Okay, no worries.
நான் வந்து வீடியோல வந்த உடனே நான் ரெடி.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, bye.
38. So first stanza. This is a different tune. I mean, tune like some of the earlier chapters, but different from 37. Ananda Rupa Bhagavannaite Vatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanaihi Kantivrajairiva Ghana Ghana Mandalaidhyam Avrunvati Viruruche Kilavarshavela. So the previous stanza, Bhattaripat said, Krishna, you now have entered into Devaki's womb. That's where he stopped. So when the time for your incarnation has come now, so again here he's starting off again with your Ananda Rupa Bhagavan. You are bliss personified, O Lord. So when the time of your avataram comes, at that time, number one is Varsha Vela. It was rainy season, and the rain had actually come at that time, and the rain had cooled the areas, the regions, because it's also an indication that you have actually come now to eliminate, get rid of all the evil. And the rain has number one cooled. That's number one. And two, also what was happening was at that time, Ghana Ganda Mandalaihi, the clouds which were all outside, because the rain bearing clouds were all outside. So it's dark gray color. So again, indicating how you are going to be born. You're going to be born with that color as well. So it's an indication as well. And in that, there is a small ray of brilliance which is actually emanating from that cloud. So they say, right, there's that every cloud is a silver lining, Mari. The light of the moon, because it's at night. So the light of the moon is permeating through the clouds, and it is creating a small light which is actually emanating through the clouds, indicating the brilliance that you're going to be born. And it's all a leading indicator of what's going to be happening right now. So Ananda Rupa Bhagavannai Tevatare, comma, Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriya Manehi Kanti Vrajairiva Ghana Mandalair Dhyam. Put a im at the end of that line. Dhyam, comma. Next line, Ma Vrinvati becomes A Vrinvati. Biru Ruche Kila Varshavela. Ananda Rupa Bhagavannaite Vatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanehi Kantivrajairiva Ghanagana Mandalaidyam Avrunvati Viruruche Kila Varshavela.
Ananta Rupa Bhagavannai Devadare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanehi Kandivrajai Ganagana Mandalaidyam Abrunvadi Viruruche Kila Varshavela. Ananta Rupa Bhagavannai Devadare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanehi Kandivrajai Ganagana Mandalaidyam Abrunvadi Viruruche Kila Varshavela.
Ananda Rupa Bhagavannaite Vatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanehi Kantivrajairiva Ghana Mandalaidhyam Avrunvati Viruruche Kila Varshavela. Ananda Rupa Bhagavannaite Vatare Prapte Pradipta Bhavadanga Niriyamanehi Kantivrajairiva Ghana Mandalaidhyam Avrunvati Viruruche Kila Varshavela.
Stanza 2. Asha Sushitalatarasu Payodatoyehi Asha Sitapti Vivasheshu Cha Sajjaneshu Naisha Karodaya Vidhau Nishimadhyamaya Klesha Pahastri Jagatam Twamiha Virasi. So like you said again, the Shitala Tarasu, because of the cooling effect of all the rain that has actually come, which has cooled all the areas, then at that time, when in Bhagavatam, this chapter has about 50 stanzas of Bhagavatam are covering birth of Krishna, right? Bhattaripad is covering it in like about 10 stanzas pretty much in this, right? So there's a lot of details in Bhagavatam. So they talk about how the Rohini constellation is at the top, is at the peak of the Rohini constellation. And then when Rama was born, he was born in the middle of the day when the sun was at the top. And when Krishna is born, he's saying here at this time where the moon was in the rising, at the midnight, when the moon is in the rising and the moon is at the very top of its path at the night, and that time the Rohini constellation is there. And then what was then desired by Sajjaneshu, by all the good people, whatever all the good people desired, which is your birth, then you then are Tumiha Virasihi, Trijagatam, Klesha Pahas Trijagatam, to eliminate the sorrows of all the three worlds. You, Krishna, Tumiha Virasihi, you are then entering into this world and you take birth or you get incarnated into this world.
Rajesh, one question, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Is that the reason Krishna was born in the Chandra Vamsha and the Rama was born in the Surya Vamsha? Yeah. I mean, I don't know why Krishna was born in Chandra Vamsha and Rama was born in Surya Vamsha. I don't know why they were, but that is correct. So Rama was born in Surya Vamsha, and then he was born when the sun was at the peak during the day, and Krishna was born when the moon is at the peak, right? And all of them at the end of the day, even Rama, right? There's a lot of studies that I've done. Like I think I've said before, right? That even though Rama is also an incarnation, right? But Rama had to be bound by a lot of constraints. He had to go, his wife got taken away. He got sent to the forest, right? But in Krishna's case, again, what they also say is, if the stars were all perfectly aligned for that incarnation to take place, that's why he had 16,108 wives and not one wife got stolen away. That's a joke people say, right? That Krishna is like so powerful. They say he had 16,100 wives and not one wife got taken away, right? So but again, that's it's just a joke. But so this is essentially describing that this is the situation, right? The scenario at the where things were, and at that time you were born to eliminate the sorrows of three jagatam, of all the three worlds. Ashasu Shitala Tarasu Payoda
toyaihi. So put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Toyaihi. Next line, ra that is there, eliminate that ra and put a. Ashasi tapti vivasheshu cha sajjaneshu. Naisha karodaya vidhau nishi madhyamayam, comma. Klesha pahas trijagatam. Klesha pahas trijagatam. Twamiha virasihi. Asha sushitalatara supayodato heihi. Asha sitapti vivasheshu cha sajjaneshu. Naisha karodaya vidhau nishimadhyamayam. Klesha pahastri jagatam tvamiha virasihi.
आशासु शीतल तरासु भयोतदोयैः आशासिताप्ति विवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैचागरोदय वितो निशि मध्यमायां क्लेशाबहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहा विरासीः आशासु शीतलतरासु भयोददोयैः आशासिताप्ति विवशेषु सज्जनेषु नैजागरोदय वितो ऋषि मध्यमायां क्लेशाबहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहा विरासीः
आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतोयैः आशासिताप्ति विवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोदय विधौ निशि मध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहा विरासीः आशासु शीतलतरासु पयोदतोयैः आशासिताप्ति विवशेषु च सज्जनेषु नैषाकरोदय विधौ निशि मध्यमायां क्लेशापहस्त्रिजगतां त्वमिहा विरासीः.
So now what we'll do is you can make a note there after this that you write the word Narayana and put it 16 in the bracket, and I'll tell you how to chant that. And then I also send that screenshot of 2 stanzas from Bhagavatam, right? I'll teach that and then we'll go to the third stanzas. Okay. So the Narayana, the 16 things, I think that most of you who are familiar with Kerala should know this. And the tune on the Narayana, 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 Narayana. So you say that way, it will come to 16 automatically, right? So you don't have to say that, but just make a note. So next we'll
So the
do,
third chapter, third
yeah, you say that 16 times, and then I'm going to say 2 stanzas from Bhagavatam, which I'll teach right now. And then typically we'll do an arati and all when you're doing the Narayanam chanting.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
So on the first day, I hope you all have the lyrics written down. And I think Vani Garu, if you want, I think Jyoti had a Telugu version of it, okay? If you want to get it from Jyoti.
Yeah, thank you.
Tamadbhutam balakamam bhujekshanam chaturbhujam shanka gada yudhayudham Srivatsa Lakshmam Ghalashobi Kaustubham Pitambaram Sandrapayo Dasaubhagam. So we'll cover that first. Just give me 1 second. I wanted to just open. Yeah. So here, this is Bhagavatam. They're saying that Adbhuta Bhalakam, that wonderful child, right? That wonderful child, when the child was born, right? It actually had Ambuja action. Ambuja is lotus flowers, lotus. So the eyes were like the petals of lotus. Chaturbhujam, the child was actually born with 4 hands, and there's more description of that coming and what happens afterwards, right? So the child is born with 4 hands, and that 4 hands had the various things. It had the conch, gadai, and all the other things, right? Shankha is conch, gada is gada, and yudayudam and other weapons. Srivatsa Lakshman. So in the chest is the Srivatsa mark. which is indicating Vishnu there. Srivatsa, that was indication of the Lord. And Gala Shobhi, so Kaustubam, in the Gala on the neck is the Kaustuba necklace, which was there on the neck. And Pitambaram, so wearing a yellow color silk cloth at the bottom. And Sandra Payoda Saubhagam, and also Galashobi, the hair were also lustrous hair, which was all curly hair, knotted. And then Sandra Payoda Saubhagam, he also was wearing, the chulwa valayal, bracelets and armlets and all of those. That's how the child was born with 4 hands. That's the first part of that, right? So yeah, so that one, it's a little difficult. I think some people find this difficult to chant, so we'll kind of go slowly there. So tam adbhutam balakam ambujekshanam, comma, chatur bhujam shanka gadad yudhayudham Srivatsa Lakshmam Gala Shobi Kaustubham Pitambaram Sandra Payoda Saubhagam. Tamadbhutam Bhalakamambujekshanam Chaturbhujam Shanka Gadadhyudhayudham Srivatsa Lakshmam Galashobi Kaustubham Pitambaram Sandra Payoda Saubhagam.
Tamadbhudam Balakamam Pujekshanam Chadurbhujam Shanka Gadatyudayutam Srivatsa Lakshmam Kalashobi Kaustubham Pidambaram Tandrapayoda Saubhagam. Tamadbhudam Balakamam Pujekshanam Chadurbhujam Shanka Gadatyudayudam Srivatsa Lakshmam Kalashobi Kaustubham Pidambaram Sandrapayoda Saubhagam.
Tamadbhutam balakamambujekshanam chaturbhujam shankagada-yudhayudham Srivatsa Lakshmam Galashobhikaustubham Pitambaram Sandrapayoda Saubhagam. Tamadbhutam balakamambujekshanam chaturbhujam shankagada-yudhayudham Srivatsa Lakshmam Galashobhikaustubham Pitambaram Sandrapayoda Saubhagam.
Rajeshi,
Yes.
Rajeshi, after Chaturbhujam, Shanka Gada, how do you say the
So
next?
that is, you can break it. Shanka is one word.
Okay.
Gadad Yudhayudham.
Okay, Gadad Yudhayudham. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
I mean,
you.
it's in some places Sanskrit has this Dyu, D-Y-U. So but you can break it as Gadad Yudhayudham.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Yeah. Maharha Vaidurya Kirita Kundala Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uddama Kanchangada Kankanadibihi Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata. So Vasudeva Aikshata, he saw this form, which then continues, right? Maharha Vaidurya. So the Vaidurya is referring to like the tiger's eye. So on the Maharha Vaidurya, his Kirita Kundalam, the crown that he was actually wearing was studded with gems, and that was resembling as if it was the eye of a tiger. It was like nice and big and shining gem. And Sahasra Kuntalam, and that's like we said, Sahasra Kuntalam is the hair, right? Kuntalam is hair. Sahasra Kuntalam is referring to that very thick, lustrous hair, right? Which was all curly. And Uddama Kanchangara Kankanadi Bihi, etc. etc. So Kankanam is like referring to bracelets and anklets and everything. All of that was there. Virochamanam, and this form of yours, right? Vasudeva Aikshata. Vasudeva then saw this form of yours in front of him. So Maharha Vaidurya Kirita Kundala, and then put a plus. Tvisha Parishvakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uddhama Kanchangada. So Kanch, and then the ich, and then all of that multiple things are coming there. So Kanchangada Kankanadi Bihi. So put the Kankanadi Bihi Visarga if you don't have it. Kankanadi Bihi, comma. Next line on top of V, if you have ir, that goes away. Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata. महार्हवैडूर्य किरीट कुण्डलत्विषा परिष्वक्त सहस्रकुन्तलम् उद्दाम काञ्चङ्गद कङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत
महार्हवैडूर्य किरीट कुण्डल द्विषा परिष्वक्त सहस्र कुन्तलम् उत्ताम काञ्च्यङ्कद कङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत महार्हवैडूर्य किरीट कुण्डल द्विषा परिष्वक्त सहस्र कुन्तलम् उद्दाम काञ्च्यङ्कद कङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत
महार्घवैडूर्य किरीट कुण्डलत्विषा परिष्वक्त सहस्रकुन्तलम् उद्धाम काञ्च्यङ्गद कङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत महार्घवैडूर्य किरीट कुण्डलत्विषा परिष्वक्त सहस्रकुन्तलम् उद्धाम काञ्च्यङ्गद कङ्कणादिभिः विरोचमानं वसुदेव ऐक्षत.
Okay, so that's the description from Bhagavatam, right? The two stanzas there. Now maybe we'll move on to the Narayaniam third stanza, which is essentially the same description, but not as detailed, right? And some books had one more stanza, etc., but we'll just do the two stanzas from Bhagavatam. So stanza 3. Balyasprashapi vapusha dhadusha vibhutihi उद्यत किरीट कटकांगदहार भासा शंकारी वारि जगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित सूति घेहे. So essentially the same thing, सूति घेहे. Inside the chamber, you, O Lord, even though you were a child, you were then born with all of these characteristics, which is what exactly we saw earlier, right? So balya sprishapi vapusha dhadusha vibhutihi, put a visarga at the end, vibhutihi, comma. Next line, ru becomes a u. Udyat kirita katakangada hara bhasa. Kataka angada, so katakangada hara bhasa.
Rajesh, என்னோடதுல கனகாங்கதன்னு இருக்கு.
Oh, kataka, can you change it to kataka? Kataka, bracelet.
Okay, Udyat Kirita Katakangada.
Katakangada. Kataka Angada.
Okay, Kanakangadan போட்டிருந்தது.
No worries. Shankari Varija Gada Paribhasitena, comma, Meghasitena Parilesita Suti Gehe. Balyasprashapi vapusha dhadusha vibhutihi उद्यत किरीट कटकांगदहार भासा शंकारी वारिज गदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित सूति घेहे.
बाल्यस्पृशाभिवभुषा तदुषा विभूतिः उद्यत किरीट कटकांगदहार भासा शंकारी वारिज गदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित सूदिकेः. बाल्यस्पृशाभिवभुषा तदुषा विभूतिः उद्यत किरीट कटकांगदहार भासा शंकारी वारिज गदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित सूदिकेः.
ராஜேஷ், நான் வந்துட்டேன், நான் சொல்லட்டுமா?
சொல்லுங்க.
बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा ददुषा विभूतिः उद्यत किरीट घटकांगदहार भासा शंकारी वारि जगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसित सूति गेहे.
The first line, Narayani, last word, vibhutihi, long u, long t.
ஓகே, ஆனா இங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல TIH இருக்கு, THன்னு போட்டுக்கிறேன். ஓகே,
TH.
बाल्यस्पृशापि वपुषा ददुषा विभूतिः उद्यत किरीट घटकांगदहार भासा शंकारी वारि जगदा परिभासितेन मेघासितेन परिलेसितसूतिगेः
Stanza 4. Vakshastali sukanilina vilasi lakshmi mandaksha lakshita kataksha vimoksha bhedaihi tanmandirasya khalakam sakritam alakshmi unmarjayanniva virejita vasudeva. So on your vaksha, on your chest was residing very happily, Sukanilina, very happily was residing Lakshmi. Lakshmi Devi, the glorious Lakshmi Devi was residing on your chest. And then with her eyes, as she then looked around, right? As she looked around, then with the side glances, she then was eliminating away Kritam Alakshmi. She was eliminating away all the inauspiciousness, right? So first of all, the chamber itself is a little bit dark, so it is bringing light to the chamber. But more importantly, Kala Kamsa, all the inauspiciousness that's been created by Kamsa, Alakshmi, it is eliminating all of that, and then it is bringing light to the prison as well. So Vakshaha, that is there. So put the is there. Vakshas Sthali Sukha Nilina Vilasi Lakshmi, and then put a plus, Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi. So 2 lines together there. Tan Mandirasya, Tan Mandirasya means in that chamber. Khala Kamsa Kritam Alakshmi. First put the im at the end of that line and a comma. Or you can say that together, Kritam Alakshmi, you can say that together, or if you want to break it, Kritam Alakshmi, comma. Next, that mu becomes u. Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. So the difference is the Vasudeva, the Tamat Budam we saw Vasudeva Aikshata. So Vasudeva is referring to Vasudeva, which is the father. Vasudeva's son is Vasudeva, right? So that's why in this case here it is now already he's being called as Vasudeva because the child is already born. So the child's name is Vasudeva as well. Vakshastali Sukanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva.
Shobha Poprala, Nana.
You continue, Narayan. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Vakshastali Sukanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bedaihi Tanmandirasya Kalakam Sakritam Alakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. Vakshastali Sukanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bedaihi Tanmandirasya Kalaham Sakritam Alakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. And the Lakshmi or Kama Vidanuma, na Seta Solama.
In the first line or third line?
Third line.
Third Lakshmi, yeah, comma after Lakshmi.
Okay. Naturally, comma vandurradhu and edathla nirthamudhu.
Correct.
Shobha solrala na sollava.
You go ahead, Jayashree. Yeah. Shobha's.
Vakshasthali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva. Vakshasthali Sukhanilina Vilasi Lakshmi Mandaksha Lakshita Kataksha Vimoksha Bhedaihi Tanmandirasya Khalakam Sakritam Alakshmi Unmarjayanniva Virejita Vasudeva.
We'll do 2 more stanzas today and we'll stop. Stanza 5. Shauristu dhira muni mandala chetasopi Durastitam vapuru diksha nije kshanabhyam Ananda bhashpa pulagodgama gadgardraha Tushta badrishti makaranda rasam bhavantam. So this form of yours, Bhattaripat is telling, this form of yours, which is Muni Mandala, even for all the sages who are actually undergoing all this penance and all this meditation, even for all of them, this is Durasitam, it is unapproachable. They are, first of all, not even able to comprehend. And now of course, they have not seen it, they have not touched it, they are not seeing it in person either. Now, when this form of yours is now standing in front of Shaurihi, in front of Vasudeva, then you can only imagine what will happen, right? Even when we chant some of these chapters, you feel that horripilation all over your body. And then Vasudeva is seeing this actual form right in front of him. So Vasudeva, he doesn't know what to do. So first he actually gets Ananda Bhashpa, he actually gets tears of joy, right? He starts crying because he's getting these tears flowing through his eyes. And then Pulako Dama means like the hair on the body is standing erect, right? So he's getting the horripilation all over his body when he's actually seeing this. And the Tamil he gets, he's doing that. And then when he wants to talk, but then Gama Gad Gadartraha means his voice is choking, right? His voice is melting and his voice is choking. And then eventually he then recovers himself. And this form which Vasudeva is seeing, it's as if it is like nectar for the bees, just like how bees are attracted to nectar. And this form of yours is attractive to his eyes. And then he starts praising you, O Lord, he says here. So same thing, if you remember, also we said in Dhruva Charitram also in 17th chapter, right? When Dhruva saw, he could not say anything. He could not believe what he was seeing. That's when the Lord took his conch and touched Dhruva's cheeks, and then Dhruva started, singing, right? So Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi, Durastitham Vapurudhiksha Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bashpa Pulakod Gama Gad Gadardraha. Gadardraha. Put a visarga at the end there and a comma. Next line is goes away. Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam. Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Dura Stitham Vapurudiksha Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bhashpa Pulakodgama Gad Gadardraha Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam.
Shaurishtu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Durastitam Vapurudiksha Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bhashpa Pulagodgama Gad Gadardraha Tushtva Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam. Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Durastitam Vapurudiksha Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bhashpa Pulagodgama Gadgadardraha Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam.
Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Durasthitam Vapurudikshya Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bhashpa Pulakodgama Gadgadardraha Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam. Shauristu Dhira Muni Mandala Chetasopi Durasthitam Vapurudikshya Nijekshanabhyam Ananda Bhashpa Pulakodgama Gadgadardraha Tushtava Drishti Makaranda Rasam Bhavantam.
Stanza 6. Deva Prasida Parapurushatapa Valli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin Khedana Pakuru Krupa Gurubeh Katakshehi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuh. So initially it says, when Vasudeva first saw it, in addition to all the things we described earlier, he was also a little bit, first of all, fearful, because he was expecting a small baby to be born, and then standing in front of him is not a baby, but a four-handed person, right? Not a baby form. So initially he's fearful, but then later on he realizes that the Supreme Lord himself is actually standing in front of him, and then he immediately loses all his fears. And then he says, then he actually prostrates, right? Now, this is not there in the Narayanam here, but in Bhagavatam, it says that he folds his hands and then he prostrates in front of the Lord and then says, you know what? He then, here Bhattaripad is comparing and saying, Vasudeva is saying, my body is like a creeper. It is filled with sorrows, right? I have all these, I just lost 6 children or 7 children, right? And my body is full of sorrows. I'm staying in the jail with my wife. And then Gurubhi Katakshehi, with your eyes, right? Just glance at me. And then by glancing with my eyes, it's as if a sword is cutting off the creepers. In similar way, please cut off my sorrows and eliminate all my sorrows by just your mere glances, right? With that, other things. And Vasudeva then praises him and says, Chiram, for a long time, Vasudeva is in Chiram Nuto Buhu. He keeps praising you and saying, please remove all my sufferings with your compassion, right? So first couple of these 2 stanzas, Vasudeva is talking. The next 2 stanzas, Devaki then talks as well. So Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapa Valli, long E. Valli is referring to the creeper. Tapa Valli, put a plus. Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin. Khedana Pakuru. Khedan Apakuru or Khedana Pakuru. Kripa. Guru Bihi is there. So put the ich sound. Guru Bih. Katakshaihi. Another visarga at the end there. Katakshaihi, comma. Next line. Rityadi becomes Ityadi. Ityadi tena muditena chiram nuto bhuhu.
Rajesh ji, line 2, is it Nirlu Nidatra or Nirlu Nadatra?
Nirluna Dhatra.
Okay, my book has a Ni.
Okay, yeah, I think somebody else also had that, so just change it to Nirluna Dhatra.
Nirluni Dhatra and put it.
And some books have Nirluni, yeah. Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapavalhi Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin Khedana Pakuru Kripa Gurubih Katakshehi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu.
Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapavalli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin Khedana Pakuru Kripa Gurubih Katakshaihi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu. Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapavalli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin Khedana Pakuru Kripa Gurubih Katakshaihi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu.
Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapavalli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin Khedana Pakuru Kripa Gurubih Katakshaihi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu. Deva Prasida Parapurusha Tapavalli Nirluna Datra Samanetra Kala Vilasin Khedana Pakuru Kripa Gurubih Katakshaihi Ityaditena Muditena Chiram Nuto Bhuhu.
Stop the class here today. Om Sandhanandha Vabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punaruru Purusharthatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavat Bhadi Sakshad Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam Kahena Vacha Manasendriyerva Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayana Heti Samarpayami.